Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to write Alhamdulillah by doing a beautiful painting. So we will start it by masking the edges of the paper. And after that, by joining two pencils, we will write Alhamdulillah on the paper in this way. And after that, we will move ahead and will do other works of our painting. So here our Alhamdulillah has been written with the pencil, and now we take a white or yellow color and mix with black color to make it gray color. Here I am using the poster paints. You can also use any other paints that are available to you. And fill this portion of our calligraphy with the paints. We will only fill this portion of our calligraphy and left the other side of our painting. And here our painting process is near to complete. And here is another thing, that be careful that we should have to join these two parts in this way. And here it is completed, and after that we will move ahead towards the other painting parts. And here by taking qalam and black ink, we will write Alhamdulillah with it. Here I am using qalam and black ink. You can also use black marker instead of this. And here we are writing Alhamdulillah with the qalam. Our writing Alhamd is near to complete, and now we are moving towards writing Allah. And here our writing process of Allah name is also near to complete. And after that we will add these type of things. And here our calligraphy become completed. Now remove the tapes to get desired result. And here is the final look of our calligraphy. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.